Hi everybody, look at these colorful sheeps. Let's make a ball like this and then cover it using colorful balls. Cover it completely. Make its legs using earbuds like this. Make its head, its eyes, and look, your sheeps are ready. Let's make these colorful trees. We are going to fill this plastic container using clay. Dab it like this. Now we are going to make the canopy of the tree by these colorful clay balls and dab all of them on the cup, and then we are adding colorful mushrooms and flower, and look, it is ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful frame using bamboo sticks, and then we are going to cover it using green clay. We are making grass like this. Spread it using fingers. Now we are making colorful mushrooms, and look, it is ready. Let's make this flower pot. Cut the bottle into half and cover it using brown clay like this. Fill it with clay, and we are going to make sunflowers using yellow and brown clay and dab it on the pot like this, and look, it is ready. You can also add mushrooms. Look at this beautiful flower pot. Let's make it. We are going to cover this box using round clay balls like this and then dab it like this. After that, make flowers using blue clay and put all of them inside the box like this, and look, your flower pot is ready. Let's make this artwork. We are going to make the frame using these dry sticks and add more details, like we are pasting its leaves using clay. Now paste grapes and a fox as well, and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.